Unveiling the phrase, flesh out something. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, flesh out something. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding a new expression to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that will enhance your ability to communicate complex ideas more effectively. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some practical examples to help you incorporate it into your daily English conversations. When we say we're going to flesh out something, we're talking about adding more details or information to make a basic idea, plan, or argument more complete and comprehensive. Imagine you have a skeleton of an idea or a project. Fleshing it out would involve adding the muscle and skin, metaphorically speaking, to give it a full, robust shape. It's all about enrichment and expansion to provide a clearer, more detailed picture. Using flesh out something correctly involves identifying situations where an idea or concept is present but not fully developed. You might use it in academic writing, business planning, or even casual conversation about future plans. For example, in a meeting, someone might say, "We have the outline of the marketing strategy, but we need to flesh out our approach to social media." This means they want to add details to the existing plan to make it more thorough. 1. Creative writing. The plot of my story was good, but I needed to flesh out my characters to make them more relatable. 2. Project proposals. Our project proposal was accepted, but now we need to flesh out the implementation phases to ensure success. 3. Academic discussions. Your thesis is intriguing, but you'll need to flesh out your arguments with more evidence and examples. Fleshing out your English involves more than just learning new words. It's about deepening your understanding and usage of the language. Practice by writing sentences or short paragraphs using flesh out something in different contexts. Engage in conversations where you try to expand on your ideas more comprehensively. Over time, you'll find that your ability to express detailed and complex concepts in English will significantly improve. We hope this exploration of flesh out something has added some valuable layers to your English language skills. Remember, language learning is an ongoing journey of adding more flesh to the bones of your knowledge. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning!